Minister Godfrey Kabyanga or State Minister wa Kanyabwenje no kuhaburihanga ashabira ba Uganda Development Bank kushagika ebyoburambuzi omuri Kasese n'ekigendererwa cyo kugitaha mutindo.
Tourism here is picking up, and I would like to ask you to now consider tourism projects, so that next time you log in Kasese, you see UDB launching its performance, you see the Tusker Light, Resort Marathon, so many things, good things only.
Minister Kabyanga hona shabira abatura okwejumbira programs za government ezigenderiro kurwanisa obworo ombyanga byabo.
Sometimes the problem which we have is people lack knowledge, and that is what is getting us off. People don't have the knowledge, they don't know that they can get funding from UDB. And therefore now, I think next time when you come, you should tell us, we mobilize the population.
Our appeal is that government should continue to capitalize UDB, which I call the People's Bank. Because we believe when we have more money, and then we have more services.
Alan Joshua Mwesigwa ozwekirwa mukuru wa Uganda Development Bank na jangu bagenderere kutungura emishoro ya government kurabira umuroni ezamagoba make.
Upon successful implementation, they will generate an additional output value of 9.3 trillion, and these projects will be profitable. They will generate a profit of about 1.7 trillion.
Gasha kwa Mahangus Gilbert.